Welcome to Phonics Friday. Today we are going to talk about how to use manipulative letters in your phonics instruction. There are many uses for manipulative letters in phonics instruction. Letter sound identification, building words, encoding or spelling, reading, which would be decoding, manipulating the sounds, or syllabication, both of which are phonemic and phonological awareness. You are going to see a mixture of all of these things happening in the examples that I show in a few moments. You will want to determine the focus for your word work portion of your phonics lesson. Here are a few examples here. In the video that we will watch in a moment, you will see that I was working with consonant clusters or blends, and you will want to make sure that there are opportunities to manipulate the beginning, ending, and middle phoneme sounds. So we are going to start with our word work, okay? So let's take our first word. I want everybody to take out the B. So take out the B, right? And then we're going to take out the R. So we're going to B, R. We're going to take out the A, and the D. Let's touch and say each sound here. Are you ready? Here we go. Very good. Awesome. Let's do it again. Let's check Sophia. Add. Brad. Very good. Very good. Now, if I want to make the word brag, what do I need to do? So ready? Let's sound it out. Ag. Brag. Do it again. Ag. The G. So we're going to say G, right? Very good. Change the D to a G. G. So let's double check if we have the word brag. Are you ready? Touch and say ag. Brag. Brag. Very good. Now I want you to change the A to an I. Can you change the A to an I?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Change our A to an I. I love that you are all trying to say it. So what does our I say? Right? Look at the nose. It's like a ratoncito. Ready? Ig. Brig. Very good. Now let's make this is not a real word. We're going to make another fake word, una palabra falsa. Brug. Ready? Brug. Brug. Let's see what we have to change. Sophia's got it. What are we changing? We're changing the I to what? You. Remember, O spells U spells Does this seem a little complicated? Would you like to see this modeled with your child? Take a look at our parent workshops offered this summer. You'll see that we are offering one on manipulative letters, or contact me at info@tutoringbeyondwords.com to schedule an individual parent coaching session or child tutoring session. Thanks for joining us for Phonics Friday. Follow us for more tips and strategies on reading instruction. Thank you.